If you're struggling with damaged nails or nail fungus, and you're not sure what else to do, this video is for you. Today, I'll be sharing with you 5 reasons why you should try ProNail Complex for healthier, fungus-free nails. Let's get started. 100% natural formula. ProNail Complex is made with high-quality, natural ingredients like essential oils and vitamins. These ingredients help restore your nails effectively and safely, without using harsh chemicals that could make the problem worse. Ingredients like tea tree oil and vitamin E are known for their antifungal and restorative properties, and with ProNail Complex, you get an effective treatment that's completely natural. 2. Targets fungal infections deeply. If you've been dealing with nail fungus, you know how frustrating it can be. Many treatments just don't work or only give temporary relief. ProNail Complex targets the root cause of the fungus, treating not just the surface, but also preventing it from coming back. With consistent use, you can finally get rid of the fungus and restore your nails for good. 3. Visible results in no time. One of the best things about ProNail Complex is that it shows visible results quickly. With regular application, you'll start to see improvements in the health of your nails within just a few weeks. Your nails will become stronger, healthier, and the skin around them will begin to heal. And the best part is, these results are long-lasting, not just temporary. 4. Easy to apply. ProNail Complex is super simple to use. Just spray it directly on your nails and the surrounding skin that's affected. It's that easy. You only need to apply the product daily and consistently. No complicated routines, just a quick and easy application that fits into your daily life. 5. Satisfaction guarantee. Perhaps the best thing about buying ProNail Complex is the satisfaction guarantee. If you're not completely satisfied with the results, you can get a full refund. This means you can try the product risk-free, knowing that if it doesn't work for you, you'll get your money back. It's a true show of confidence in their product. So, if you're looking for a natural, effective, and simple treatment for your nails, ProNail Complex could be the perfect solution for you. And the best part? You can buy it with complete confidence through the link in the description below. Don't miss the chance to restore your nail health and get rid of nail fungus once and for all. Click the link now and start your treatment today.